Good morning everyone and welcome to today. Today is day 2 of Bangalore Comic Con and I'm gonna ask cosplayers कि उनके cosplay में कितना खर्चा होता है. Let's find out कि किसके cosplay में कितना खर्चा होता है और cosplaying कितनी expensive है. Let's go. I have Batman and Superman with me. How much did your costume cost?
16 to 20k.
16 to 20,000. You made it yourself?
Yeah.
Wow. And you?
And I bought it from a website. It's around 22k.
22k. इतना खर्चा हो रहा है लोगों का.
In material costed more than 15,000 at least.
Understandable. Yours?
She made the whole costume.
Yeah, I made the entire costume.
Entire thing.
Ah.
It's all on
She
her.
like knitted it.
Yes, I hand knitted the entire
Knitted
thing.
कोई word होता है क्या?
हाँ, knitted एक word होता है.
मेरे को लगा knit तो नहीं होता. The iconic baby with us. How much does your cosplay cost? As always, he's like Chad and Sigma. He doesn't want to tell. I understand. I look horrible. It's okay. Bye, baby.
It's free. I got it as a gift.
मुझे क्यों नहीं गिफ्ट मिलते हैं ऐसे? Be my friend do and gift me cosplays also, please. How much did your cosplay cost?
Real number was 1 lakh. Because मैंने एक मशीन खरीदा.
हाँ,
If I exclude that, 60,000.
60,000. सोना ढूंढते हैं guys. सोना ढूंढते हैं हम लोग. सोना कहाँ लगाए?
The jacket was 1,500 and these little bells cost like what 20 each. This blouse would be 200, around 1,700, 500 more 2,000. Things to make this maybe around 500 more. So 2,500 and yeah 200 for the bat. So around
2,700.
2,700 yeah.
Foam materials 800, shirt 800. That's all.
1,600.
Yes.
If you did not see the fan arts yet, this is a mixed version of Rapunzel and Jinx. It's so cool, right? I just saw it 2 days ago and I didn't know someone would actually come and do it. So how much did making this cost?
Mostly thrifted and
Yeah.
like this is like pajamas which I cut. This I embroidered on my own.
Oh.
So it's I would say under 2k because the wig was itself 1.5k. It was actually
2K. And the pan?
the pan is one of my friends. So
Oh, nice. How much did your cosplay cost?
Well, this jacket costed me around 3,600, and this gun roughly a k to make from foam. These gloves 275. Gauntlets also roughly you can say 500 each. Considering the foam and the paint, the boots are 700. The pant is 700, and the undersuit it's roughly 700. So you do the math.
You do the math. मुझे math नहीं आती.
give or take maybe 7 or 8k.
12,000 to 15,000 around.
बनाया है कि खरीदा है?
हाँ बनाया बहुत सा. Shoes, pistols, helmet, jacket.
He's-
Look at all this props.
Yeah. He's Krish Senpai, by the way. Guys, we have Omen from Valorant.
Hello guys, what's up?
So
What's up?
cool. How much did your cosplay cost?
Cosplay is around 2 to 3k.
Only? You made it?
Yeah, I went to a village, so where I can get all the stuffs like really like cheap, so that I can build it like really cheap.
अपने गांव का नाम हमें भी बताइए.
It's called Barampur from Odisha.
Ooh, okay. So we have this character from DC right here. Can you guess in the comments who he is? How much did your cosplay cost?
It cost maybe 8,000 for the whole thing and all over 16,000.
16,000. देखो इतना खर्चा होता है cosplay में और तुम लोग मुझे hate comments देते हो. गंदी बात है.
Wait for this, right?
Okay.
I would say around 8,000.
8,000. You made it?
Yep.
That's so cool. You stitched. And the katana also?
Katana I did not make.
So you bought.
I bought the katana.
8,000. My husband is right here, guys. How much did your cosplay cost? Tell me.
Around 13,000.
13,000.
The
Why
hat.
did you spend 13,000 on one costume? We were supposed to save it for the kids.
I mean, we are not supposed to end up together in any universe, right? So, might as well spend it.
It's around 5 to 6k.
5 to 6. You made it yourself?
Yeah, I made it myself.
Very cool. Very cool, guys. Very cool.
Around 2k.
Only 2K?
Yeah.
You made it yourself?
I made the helmet and the swatch myself, and this is my old jacket.
Oh.
I don't know actually because this was actually gifted to me by a relative. So
Oh. ऐसे relatives मुझे भी चाहिए.
So I use a lot of leftover fabrics and all.
Yeah,
so
yeah.
the cost came down quite a bit. I don't know how much total.
Around estimate.
Around maybe
अबे जल्दी बोल.
2,000.
2000 में लोग ये कर सकते हैं. देख रहे हो आप लोग?
I made it myself.
Yeah.
About 10k for the costume. This probably another 7k.
17,000.
Yeah.
Guys, we have a Meme with us, and she's looking super hot today. So, Miss Meme-san, how much did your costume cost?
यार ये सस्ती तो थी वैसे।
टैटू बढ़िया है।
यार टैटू कॉस्ट्यूम का पार्ट नहीं है, सबसे महंगा यही है।
उसका बॉयफ्रेंड वहाँ खड़ा हुआ है।
नहीं, मेरा कोई बॉयफ्रेंड नहीं है। ऐसी बोल रही है। एक्चुअली हाँ, ये पूरा कपड़ा ही 250 रुपए का था टोटल। 300 रुपए करीब इसमें लगे मेरे, 300 रुपए ये हो गए। That's it. हाँ, ये 700 रुपए का था। 1200 में, 1500 के अंदर।
1200 की पेप्सी, Meme-san. Sexy. Guys, we have Loki and Wanda with us, and they are a couple. So cute. Ma'am and sir, how much did your cosplay cost?
I don't know, like it's basically the form I had, so around 1,000 something I would say. Yeah.
आपका?
Yeah, around
Yeah, we made together.
we made together, so it's
सिर्फ 1000 रुपए लगे क्या?
no, like 1,500, like
1,500.
not more than that, yeah.
So 1500 रुपए खर्च करके आप ऐसे दिख सकते हैं. Can you tell me, miss, how much did your costume cost?
How does that matter?
I'm just making a vlog.
Okay, I'll break character.
Thank you.
Yeah, so thing here, it's like $1,000. The dress is some 1,500, then probably 300. So 3K approx.
3,000.
Actually, not much because I had everything in my wardrobe, so I just put everything together.
Maybe you bought it someday. It cost something. How much did it cost?
Maybe around 2,000 to 3,000. She looks amazing. She looks amazing.
We have two beautiful girls with us. So, girls, how much did your cosplay cost?
This cost around 2K.
2K.
For me, this time I bought this costume. Like it's second-handed, so it's just 2K.
We have Fubuki and Doma with us. So, guys, how much did your cosplay cost?
So the contact lens was like 1.6K. Unfortunately, I can't see with this. But I just bought a wig, 1.2K. And these are all handmade. So yeah, it doesn't cost much. Fabric cost is like around $200, something like that.
अगर हमें मैथ लगानी हो तो 3,500.
3,300 to 3,500, yes.
मैम आपकी.
Yes, so my contact lenses maybe like 600. The wig
Guys,
is
her figure is so sexy.
the wig is like maybe 1K or a little more. And the dress is stitched by me, so it didn't cost much. This cloth was bought by my mom, so. And this is maybe like 500. I am a very budget cosplayer, so maybe it's like 2K or 3K.
बजट में भी 3,000 रुपए लग रहा है.
I think my cosplay costed me around 25 to 30K.
She made it herself, by the way.
Yeah,
you guys
so-
didn't know. And you should check her Wednesday video out. I'll tag her.
I'm already with a superstar, so.
Rara superstar.
Oh, I didn't count it how much it cost. Like I just
अब
made it for
count
myself.
करिए. अब
अभी count करिए.
हाँ.
होगा I guess 40-50 हज़ार शायद.
40-50 हजार.
आइए हैमर
इतने
हैमर.
में मेरा घर जाएगा. मेरा
कहाँ
घर
रहते
चला
हो आप?
जाएगा. हाँ? नहीं, वो रेंट पे रहती हूँ मैं.
ठीक है.
Would have been around 10,000.
10,000.
Yeah.
दोनों या एक?
दोनों मिला के. Just stitched on some stuff, glued on some stuff.
Okay, okay.
From head to toe, देखो wig तो मैंने 2 से बनाई है. Like I cut it from the base, then attached another wig. वो हुआ 2,000. पूरा costume would cost around 7,000.
आई होप आपको ये वीडियो देखने के बाद पता चल गया होगा कि कॉस्प्लेयर्स का कितना ज्यादा खर्चा होता है. एंड आई होप आप मुझे सपोर्ट करते रहेंगे. प्लीज सब्सक्राइब टू माई चैनल. बाय बाय.